See, today we will discuss about the combination of error. How we can combine two physical quantity. If a physical quantity is sum of two physical quantity or product of two physical quantity or difference of two physical quantity, how we can write the measurement, how absolute value we can find it for the sum, difference or product and division. See, here I have taken two physical quantity A and B, have measured value A plus minus del A and B plus minus del B. So A and B the mean value and del A and del B are the mean absolute error. So suppose one physical quantity I have taken Z. Z is a physical quantity which is sum of two physical quantity. Z is another physical quantity which is sum of physical quantity A and B. What will be the measured value of Z? Because they have given del A is the absolute error and del B the absolute error in B. So see here, when we will talk about the sum, what happened? Z is equal to sum of physical quantity. Then for total measurement, Z plus minus del Z, in place of A we have to write down A plus minus del A sum B plus minus del B. See here, if you are solving A plus B, and this will come plus minus del A plus minus del. Here we can see this will be the sum. If we'll see here A plus B is equal to Z, then what happened? This plus minus del Z is equal to plus minus del A plus minus del B. Okay. This is for the error. If suppose any physical quantity which is difference of, I have taken another physical quantity M, this is difference of two physical quantity, then how we can write the measured value? So see here, with absolute error, M plus minus del M is the absolute error. Here A is physical quantity A plus minus del A minus B plus minus del B. Measure it, A plus minus del A minus B minus, this will become minus plus, plus become minus, minus become plus. Here we can write A minus B plus minus del A minus plus del B. A minus B we can write M. Here you will see M plus minus del M is equal to M plus minus del A minus del B. What about the del M? Plus minus del M is equal to what? Plus minus del A minus plus del. See here, in both cases, when we are taking sum, when we are taking difference, what are the errors? Here if you will see, errors are what? Del A plus del B, both can positive, or first is positive, second can negative, first will negative. These are the possible errors. Minus del A plus del B, second is positive, and both can be negative. Minus del A minus del. So these are the errors, possible errors. Both can be positive, first positive, second negative, first negative, second positive. These are the errors can be. If we see, what will be the maximum here. Maximum error will be, if we'll see, so this will be the maximum, del A plus del B. So this will be the maximum error for summation of two physical quantity. Same way in the difference, if we'll see, what are the possible errors? Possible errors are both positive, or first positive, second positive, second one first positive, second negative, first negative, second positive, and both we can take negative. Here also we see the possible errors are both positive, both negative, first positive, second negative. So here also we will see what will be the maximum error. In this case also maximum error is what? Plus del A plus del B. So in both cases we are seeing the maximum error is del A plus del B. Maximum error del A plus del B. तो व्हाट अबाउट द डेल जेड? अगर हम डेल जेड की बात करें बेटा सम के लिए, तो डेल जेड मीन मैक्सिमम एरर, डेल जेड इज एब्सोल्यूट एरर, तो एब्सोल्यूट एरर विल बी व्हाट? del A plus del B. When physical quantity is sum of two physical quantity, so maximum error del Z is equal to what? Del A plus del B. Here in difference, what you will see? What will be the maximum error? So maximum error also del A plus del B. Here also you will see del M is equal to what? Del A plus del B. In both cases, if a physical quantity is sum of two physical quantity, then maximum absolute error is sum of two absolute error. When a physical quantity is difference of physical quantity, in that cases also absolute error is sum of absolute error. See, I told that if sum of two physical quantity is any quantity, then Z is equal to A plus B. So error is what? What will be the maximum absolute error? Error is plus del A plus del B. Sum of the absolute error. If difference is there, I have told, if any physical quantity which is difference of the two physical quantity, what about the error? Then that time also absolute error is sum of the absolute error of individual physical quantity. Here difference, but here maximum error we have to take. So that will be the sum. One example I am giving. Suppose करो, let two temperature morning and evening, two temperature measured, two temperature of morning and evening. हमने morning और evening का temperature measure किया, that is morning temperature suppose I have measured 35 degree plus minus 0.02 Celsius, and evening temperature T2 anyone has measured, that is 27 degree plus minus 0.1 centigrade. What will be the sum of temperature? Estimate sum of temperature. First and second they have said difference of temperature. Morning temperature and evening temperature, suppose anyone have measured, so what you have to find? Sum of temperature and difference. So first sum of temperature. Suppose I have denoted by T. So T is equal to sum. T1 plus T2. That is 35 plus 27. 7, 5, 12, कितना डिग्री हुआ बेटा? 62. What will be the absolute error? So absolute error is what? Del T1 plus del T2. Del T1 is what? Absolute error 0.02. Only positive value you have to take. That will come 0.03. What will be the answer of that sum of temperature is, you will write T is equal to 62 plus minus absolute error del T. So that will be the sum of temperature. If difference of temperature I will take, difference of temperature, suppose I am denoted it by T dash. What will be the T dash? So T1 minus T2. T1 minus T2 mean 35 minus 27. So this is 8 degree. 8. What will be the absolute error? Absolute error is also I have told. That will be the sum of absolute error. Mean del T1 plus del T2. Del T1 is what? 0.02 plus 0.01, 0.0. In both cases, absolute error will be maximum value. So that maximum value will in both cases 0.03, 0.03. What will be the answer? Difference of temperature is what? T dash is defined as how? Measured value is 8 plus minus 0.03. So this will be the difference of temperature. Now we are going to consider about the errors in product and errors in division. Let two physical quantity A and B have measured value A plus minus del A and B plus minus del B. Suppose any physical quantity P is there. P is product of physical quantity A and B. That is P is equal to A into B. See here, what will be the error? If we will write in error form, what happen? P plus minus del P. A will written in the error form A plus minus del A, B plus minus del B. Multiply here A into B plus minus A del B, multiply here plus minus del A into B and plus minus this is del A into del B. See here, P plus minus del P is equal to what? AB plus minus A del B, del A into B, del A into del B. See here, this is very small. If we are divide whole equation, divide equation by P is equal to AB, both side. See here, left P and AB both are same. Left equation we will divide by P and right equation divide by AB. What happen? P plus minus del P divided by P. Here AB plus minus A del B plus minus del A into B plus minus del A into del B. Total division by AB. P is equal to AB, no change. Both sides are equal. So see here, P upon P, 1 plus minus del P upon P is equal to here. AB upon AB, if you are separating it, AB upon AB plus minus A into del B upon AB plus minus del A into B upon AB plus minus del A into del B upon A into B. If you'll see here, A, B cancel out. 1 plus minus del P upon P is equal to what? 1 plus minus A cancel out, del B upon B, plus minus B cancel out, del A upon A, plus minus del A upon A into what? Del B upon B. See here, this del A upon A, del B upon B, this is very small. That's why they are negligible. We can take it negligible. Because del A upon A is a small quantity, del B upon B is small quantity. If you multiply, they are very small. It can be taken as negligible. Then what happened? 1 plus minus del P upon P is equal to 1 plus minus del B upon B plus minus del A upon A. 1 cancel out. You can write down here del P upon P is equal to plus minus del B upon B plus minus del A upon A. So for maximum value, if we will go for maximum absolute error, what we will write? Maximum value or maximum absolute error del P upon P is equal to what? Del B upon B plus del A upon A. Here you can see, for product of two physical quantity, we have to take relative error. The relative error of P is equal to what? Sum of relative error of A to relative error of B. Again, we are going to consider the division. If any physical quantity, suppose a physical quantity Q, which is division of physical quantity, division of A and B. Q is equal to what? A upon B. What will be the errors? If we are writing in error form, the Q plus minus del Q is equal to what? A plus minus del A divided by B plus minus del B. If you are solving it, A I have taken common, 1 plus minus del A upon A. Here B I have taken common, 1 plus minus del B upon B. If I am writing in power form, A upon B, I can write it plus minus del A upon A. This I have taken upward, 1 plus minus del B upon B power minus 1. This is Q plus minus del Q. See it. Q plus minus del Q. Here A upon B, 1 plus minus del A upon A. In binomial theorem, what we have seen, if x is small, 1 plus x power n is equal to what? 1 plus nx. Remember, binomial. By the binomial theorem, you will study in mathematics, 1 plus x power n. If x is small, n is multiplied by x. If you are applying here binomial theorem, what happens? 1 plus minus del B upon B. Power is multiplied here. So minus 1 multiply here. By the help of binomial theorem, we can write it 1 plus minus 1 is multiplied here. This A upon B, that is Q. This A upon B is what? Q. 1 plus minus del A upon A. So here 1 minus plus, minus is multiplied minus plus del B upon B. If Q I have taken this side, what happened? Q plus minus del Q upon Q is equal to 1 into 1, multiply here 1, this multiply here, plus minus 1 plus minus, and this I multiply here, del A upon A, 1 multiplied, del B upon D, minus plus del B upon B, and here plus minus del A upon A. What? del B upon B. This you will see. I have told you this will very small, del A upon A, del B upon B. This will taken as negligible. This is negligible. Then what happened? Q I have taken separate. So this 1 plus minus del Q upon Q is equal to 1 plus minus del A upon A minus plus del B upon B. This is negligible because small quantity to 1 cancel out. Here also we can see plus minus del A upon A minus plus. Also you can see there are 4 values plus del A upon A plus both you can take positive, one positive, one negative, one negative, one positive. So what will the maximum value? Because in absolute error we are taking maximum value. So maximum value if you are taking, that time what happen? Del Q upon Q is equal to what? Del A upon A. That time also we have to take only positive value del B upon B. So this is the formula for absolute error. Here also we can see in division the relative error of Q is equal to sum of relative error of A and relative error of B. See here, I have told about the product and division. In product P A into B, what I have told, what about the absolute error? Del P upon P is equal to del A upon A plus relative error of B del B upon B. In the case of product. In the case of division, I have proved A upon B is equal to what? Del Q upon Q is equal to what? Del A upon A plus del B upon B. In both cases, you will see relative error is sum of relative error of A and B. In also division, relative error is sum of. तो एक चीज ध्यान रखना है हमें कि प्रोडक्ट हो तब भी रिलेटिव एरर सम ही होगा क्योंकि वी आर टेकिंग मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, और डिवीजन हो तो भी रिलेटिव एरर, यहाँ पर डिवीजन होगा बट रिलेटिव एरर विल बी क्या? सम ऑफ रिलेटिव एरर ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी टू रिलेटिव एरर ऑफ सेकंड क्वांटिटी. एक एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं बेटा. सपोज करो लेट length and breadth are measured as 20 plus minus 0.1 cm and 5 plus minus 0.05 cm. Find length upon breadth and length into breadth. हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है, रेशियो ऑफ लेंथ टू ब्रेड्थ फाइंड आउट करना है. सॉल्यूशन. चलो पहले मैंने लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ I have taken, that is also area, you know. What will be the length into breadth? So length is 20, breadth is 5. 20 into 5, that is 100 cm square. What will be the error? So I have told you in product what will be the error. Suppose this I have denoted by A. So relative error del A upon A is equal to what? Del L upon L plus del B upon B. In product relative error is sum of. If you are putting here del A upon A, I have finded 100 is equal to del L. Del L is 0.1 divided by L 20 plus del B 0.05 divided by 5. Solve it. 100 multiply here. What happens? 0.1 upon 20 into 100. 0.05 into 100 upon 5. 100 I have multiplied here. What will be the result? 100 you will multiply here. 0 0 cancel. 10 ones are 1, 1 upon 2, 0.5, and here 5 upon 5, 1. So this will come 1.5. So what will be the answer? Product L into B. The answer is what? 100 plus minus 1.5 cm square. This will be the product. See here, now we will go for the division. L upon B. This L upon B. This I have supposed this is M. What is L upon B? The L they have given 20 upon B 5. This is 4. For error, what happened? I have told in division also relative error of M is equal to sum of del L upon L plus del B upon B. So del M upon M is 4. Del L they have given 0.1 upon 20 plus 0.05 upon 5. So del M is equal to what? 4. If you will divide it, it will come 0.005 plus 0.01. That will come 4 into 0.015 multiplied by 4 to 0.060. So here del M has come 0.06. So what will be the answer? Division of L to B, that is M plus minus del M, that is 4 plus minus 0.06. Because it is ratio, there you cannot write any unit without unit. 4 plus minus. So you have seen here in both cases, in product and in division, when we want to find the relative error, so we have to go for the relative error, sum of the individual error. Here also division, sum of the individual error. I have found it both product and division. When we will take power, suppose A is physical quantity measured at A plus minus del A. P is any quantity, that is power. A power 2. Suppose I have taken 2. What will be the error? So this A square can be written as A into A. If I am applying product rule, what happen? Del P upon P is equal to what? Del A upon A plus del A upon A. So that will become twice del A upon A. Here we can see the power is multiplying in the relative error. So by directly we can write down power is in the multiplication form when we are finding the error. So relative error of product is equal to what? Power is in multiple form to relative error of physical quantity. Similar way we can see if A power n is there. So A into n times when we will take the relative error, so this is also n times, that will becomes n into del A upon A. This will be the relative error when power we are taking. We can make a general formula, because division also you have to take some we can make a general formula. If P is any physical quantity, A power m, B power n, C power s, any number of physical quantity is there. So what will be the general formula for error? So see here, del P upon P is equal to what? Power in written in the multiple form to relative error. So M into relative error of A plus product is come into the summation form, n into del B upon B, and division also comes in some form. ध्यान देना डिवीजन भी किस में आता है बेटा, जब when we are taking absolute error or maximum value, तो डिवीजन also come in the summation form. तो this is also, यहाँ पर माइनस नहीं होगा बेटा, प्लस ही होगा, s into क्या होगा बेटा, del c, here s del c upon c. This will the general formula for all product and power. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा कि यहाँ पर क्या होगा, जो भी पावर्स होंगे वो किस फॉर्म में होंगे, सम के फॉर्म में होंगे. तो मैं एक ऐसे एग्जांपल ले लूं, ठीक है, कि सपोज करो कोई फिजिकल क्वांटिटी m है, ठीक है, a का पावर 2, b पावर सपोज करो कितना दे रखा है बेटा, हाफ, c पावर 3, d पावर कितना है, मान लो d they have given any physical quantity. तो what will be the relative error? Relative error कैसा होगा बेटा, del m upon m is equal to 2 into del a upon a. Here what happen, power half into del b upon b plus क्या होगा बेटा 3 into del c upon c plus all our summation 1 into del d upon. ठीक है, तो this will be. One thing more, if percentage error, to multiply by 100 in all. In the form of percentage, what you have to write? You have to multiply by 100. So that by this method you can also find the percentage error.